welcome back to my channel with a new video featuring unbelievable information which can help you grow your business guarantee. Today I am so excited to share with you 7 social media marketing strategies that are guaranteed to grow your business. Within the next 10 minutes you will have all the tips and tricks you need to take your social media presence to next level. So let's dive right in. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more informative videos so that you stay updated and help grow your business. A is overview of the current social media landscape. First one is dominate platforms analysis. Investigate the tremendous scenes of famous web-based entertainment stages including Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Dig into the complexities of Facebook's different client based and strong promoting choices. Uncover the visual narrating potential on Instagram, utilizing its lively symbolism for brand compliments. Explore the speedy universe of Twitter, known for its constant updates and compact comfort the remarkable crowd elements of every stage. To tailor your substance system, this inside and out investigation will furnish you with bits of knowledge to expand your presence and effect across these compelling social channels. Second, dynamic nature of web-based entertainment trends. In the present powerful world, the business scene goes through steady changes. Versatile techniques are urgent to explore this constantly evolving climate. First one is adaptability turns into a virtual resource permitting associations to answer arising patterns and difficulties quickly. Second one is fruitful undertaking perceive the significance of remaining ahead by changing their methodologies continuously. Third is embracing flexibility guarantees strength and sporty pertains in a business landscape. Second one is utilizing keywords and hashtags. First one is recognize your main interest group and lead careful exploration to grasp their language, interest, and online way of behaving. Extricating watchwords they are probably going to utilize while looking for items or administration connected with your image. Second is examine reveals in your specialty to reveal viable catchphrases they are focusing on. Use devices like catchphrase research instruments, contender investigation stages, and industry discussions to distinguish partners and holes. Refining your own watchword procedure. Third one is pick important and famous hashtags inside your specialty. Granting they line up with your substance to widen reach and experiment discoverability. Fourth one is make and elevate interesting marked hashtags to cultivate local area commitment and client created content. Intensifying your image presence. Strategy number 2 is content is king. First point is investigate information for profound bits of knowledge. Tailor content is light of inclinations. Second point is enhance with drawing in recordings, infographic and educational blog entries. Third one is request important crowd input for improvements, improve systems. Fourth one is foster definite purchaser persons guarantee exact focusing on. Fifth is tailor content to match explicit socioeconomics, encourage ground commitment. Sixth is change procedure in view of developing experience, constantly refine approaches. Strategy number 3 is utilizing paid advertising. These are currently used platforms play a crucial role in helping businesses grow. They are instrumental in searching a targeting audience and boosting brand visibility. Here are 3 major current platforms for paid ads. First one is Facebook ads, optimal for businesses seeking broad audience reach. Diverse ad formats and interactive engagement suitable for both B2C and B2B. Second one is Instagram ads, suited for visually appealing content. Younger demographics and influencer collaborations, brand aesthetics and lifestyle marketing. Third one is LinkedIn ads, ideal for B2B marketing, targeting professionals with job title and industry based segmentation, focusing on lead generation and thought leadership in a professional context. Choosing the right platform, guidance on selecting the most suitable platform based on business objectives. Here are two major budgeting and targeting strategies. First one is adjust the spending plan to explicit profit from entire objectives, taking into account wanted results like lead obtaining, deals, or brand mindfulness, granting a harmony among speculation and anticipated results. Second one is constantly investigate execution, measurements, and client information to recognize high changing over crowd sections, refining boundaries in view of continuous experience for improved focusing on productive and cost viability. Let's discuss the fourth strategy. Strategy number 4 is building a strong community. First one is tips for fostering direct interaction. Second is guidance or creating engaging live session. Third is exploration of content formats that encourage participation. Second point is here are major important fair giveaway guidelines. First point is clearly outline how participants can enter specifying actions or requirements. Second point is clearly state the selection criteria for winners and how they will be chosen. Third is define who can participate and any restrictions. Fourth is clearly communicate the prizes, their value, and any associated conditions or restrictions. Let's talk about fifth strategy, and this strategy is very important for any businessman. Fifth strategy strategy is influencer marketing. The question is how can identify and measuring influencer. Here are some steps for finding influencer elegant with your brand. First point is recognize the socioeconomics and interest of your interest groups. Second one is investigate powerhouses inside specialties connecting with your image or item. Third is use stages like Instagram, TikTok, or specific powerhouses promoting instruments. Fourth is investigate force to be reckoned within commitment rates, devote, and reach. Fifth is assesses the quality and arrangement of a force to be reckoned with past specified. How you collaborate with influencer? Don't worry, here are some tips for building successful collaborations with influencer. Number 1 tip is clearly communicate with campaign goals and expectations with the influencer. Number 2 is choose influencer who genuinely resonate with your brand for authentic promotion. Number 3, discuss compensation transparently considering the influencer reach and impact. Number 4 is allow influencer creative freedom within brand guidelines for more authentic content. And number 5 is monitor campaign performance using relevant metrics to assess its ROI. Let's not waste time. I will share the 6th strategy which is considered the heart of every business. 6th strategy is analytics and data driven discussions. First one is Google Analytics, widely using for web analytics, offering detailed insights into website traffic, user behavior, and conversion tracking. Second one is Adobe Analytics, now for its robust capabilities in analyzing customer journeys, providing comprehensive data for informed marketing discussions. Case study on successful data driven adjustments. Number 1 is optimizing ad campaigns. A company increased conversion rates by 30% by adjusting targeting parameters based on data feedback from previous campaigns. Number 2 is website redesign impact. A business revamped its website layout, leading to a 20% increased user engagement and significant decrease in bonus rates. Number 3 is product launch strategy. Through data analysis, a brand defined its product launch strategy, resulting in improved market penetration and higher rate of customer. Seventh and last strategy is cross-platforms integrations. These are two platforms for cross-platform integration. One is leveraging multiple social media platforms. First point is elegant with business type audience demographics. Second is tailor platforms to audience preference. Third is ensure messaging across platforms. Fourth is tailor content formats to platform strengths. Fifth is integrate platforms for undefined brand identifier. And the second is ensuring a brand presence. First point is scan content timetables for consistent joining. Second is execute methods granting uniform brand portrayal. Third is plan timetables to keep up with audience. Fourth is utilize strategies for predictable cross-stage brand informing. I trust these strategies prove beneficial for the growth of your business, providing valuable insights through this video. For more informative content aiding in business development, be sure to click the bell icon to stay informed about our upcoming videos. Don't forget to explore our diverse range of videos. And if you have any question or topics you would like us to address, feel free to leave a comment below.